If you said, what's the key takeaway from the quarter? Cost of capital storm is passing. We're heading into a better environment going forward. This year, after 2 tough years, we've seen IPOs up 60+% this year, still very low volume relative to historic levels. But when we're talking with banks about bringing companies out, there's a lot more enthusiasm. And we've gone from sort of theoretical discussions, which are, what would it look like if we did an IPO, to practical discussions, which are, what's the size of this IPO? Should we go in February? Should we go in April? And it's not a surprise this is happening. As the public equity market goes up, it's like a magnet. It's going to pull private companies into it. That process is really just beginning, and that makes us feel very positive at Blackstone. What I'd say about the golden moment is there are elements of that were cyclical in nature and elements that are secular and enduring. And the cyclical part was very high spreads, very high base rates. But the secular part of this is that when we do private credit, we essentially take the investors, individual investors, pension funds, insurance companies, and we bring them right up to the borrower. And that farm-to-table model allows them to capture all the spread. And it's a big part of the reason why I think private credit is going to continue to grow, even in a lower rate environment. The tone of the conversation's changed. 12 months ago, people were worried, should they ever invest in real estate? Today, the conversation has gone from if to when. Should I go in now? And our instinct, of course, is the storm has passed, valuations move down, cost of capital is starting to come down a lot, and new supply is coming down. Now is the time to move, and that's certainly what we're doing with our capital. What's my outlook for 2025? I wish I had a crystal ball here, but I don't. But I will tell you, I think it's a pretty good outlook for asset values. It's definitely going to be a better year for IPOs, a better year for transaction activity, just given this sharp reduction in cost of capital and a still pretty resilient economy. I think that's a powerful combination.